This is where the Negro is shooting the directed energy weapons from. It's a jarred picture window on the side of the house. And the door is open as well, right there. So he has his whole family up in there with the same crap again.